What would you say if I told you you can make money online at zero startup cost, with easy compliance, making money from day one, trouble-free, truly passive income? Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you grow your YouTube channel and make money online. And in this video, we're going to talk about e-commerce, and more specifically about print-on-demand, dropshipping, web shop solutions that you can set up already today. So we're going to talk about the cost, we're going to talk about how much money you can make, we're going to talk about how easily you can set it up and start earning. As you know, there are different ways of earning money online, like affiliate marketing, becoming a YouTube partner, earning from AdSense, but then there's also e-commerce. And I'm here to tell you, you don't have to travel to foreign, far away countries to source products that you want to sell online. You can stay home and take advantage of the companies that have already set everything up for you. So in this video, we're going to talk about specifically Redbubble web shops and how easily you can get started. So I've linked down below a video about how you can start your shop and also how you can upload designs to the products. So go watch them later. Now, what can you sell on Redbubble? Well, Redbubble is a search engine web shop. So millions of people come onto Redbubble to search for merchandise. They type in certain words, and if you have tagged your products with those words, there's gonna be a match and you're gonna make a sale. You can sell clothing, you can sell kids clothing, you can sell wall art, accessories, home and living products, stickers, stationery and office supplies, phone cases and laptop skins. Anything you want. The products are already available on Redbubble. All you need to do is upload a design. I'm going to share with you how much you can earn on the products in just a little bit and how you can stay compliant with Redbubble. But to get started, like I said, no cost at all to set up your shop. And are you not an artist? Don't go away. It doesn't matter. I'm not an artist either, and I can do this. You can do this. I just use Canva to create awesome designs or just sayings, quotes, put them on the products, and Redbubble starts selling them for me. You can do it too. So if you want to, you can grab Canva down below. There's a link so that you can start a 30-day free trial of Canva to start creating your designs. And if you are an artist, hey, just dive right in, start uploading your awesome designs to the products. Let's also talk about how you stay compliant with Redbubble. There are no high demands at all. You don't even have to make a certain amount of sales within a certain time period in order to stay active on Redbubble. All you need to do, listen closely, all you need to do is stay away from copying other people's work or other companies' logos or brands. As long as you stay away from that, and of course, goes without saying, violence and sexual content, if you stay away from that, you're gonna be fine. So with Redbubble, you can earn from day one. How come? Well, you see, Redbubble doesn't demand you to make 10 sales first before they start promoting your products. You can get promoted from day one, as long as there's a match when someone searches your niche or your tag or the words or sentences that you have tagged your products with. You can get shown, you can get impressions on Redbubble and people might buy. And that's what happened to me. I made sales within days from starting Redbubble. So how much can you make? Well, now that I look at my earnings from the first period of time that I was a Redbubble shop owner, it's about 15% of the sales amount. So if you sell a sticker, it's not going to be much. If you sell a cap or a sweatshirt, it's more. And it might sound not so much, but the thing is, this is completely trouble-free for you. Other platforms are not marketing your stuff. When you have uploaded your products to other web shops, they will not promote it for you. Then again, you might earn more from those platforms. But with Redbubble, you basically don't have to do anything. Redbubble takes care of production, logistics, marketing, payments, and even customer care. So if you're comparing how much you earn from different platforms, keep that in mind. This makes your Redbubble webshop a truly passive income because you do the work once, you create a design and you upload it to the products of your choice that are already available in Redbubble. and that's it. Then, as long as you are compliant, your product is gonna stay on Redbubble for as long as Redbubble exists. And it's gonna be able to make you money for years to come. How great is that? I need a thumbs up on this video if it's giving you value. So like I said, I popped the link to my store down below and you can check it out if you want to. Get some inspiration. There is also Canva down below so you can start creating designs. And with that said, good luck on going out there now and making money in your sleep, truly passive income to earn you money for years to come. Consider subscribing if you haven't done that yet. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.